sleeping right now, so I have to whisper. I hope you guys can hear me. Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Jashelle, and today I'll be going through my nighttime skincare routine step by step with you guys. My hair is already pulled back, which is perfect. So first I'm just going to start by washing my hands with soap as always before I touch my face. And now I'm just washing my face with some warm water to open up my pores before I go in with these makeup wipes that I get from my local beauty supply store. I always make sure to be very gentle when using makeup wipes, especially right under my eyes where the skin is very thin. Forgot to show y'all the product beforehand, but this is the Noxzema Eucalyptus Deep Cleansing Cream. And now I'm going in with my spin brush, as you can see here, to work it into my skin. I hope this emphasizes the importance of washing your face even after using makeup wipes, because clearly there was still makeup on. Now I'm using just a little bit more to make sure all of the makeup is off, and make sure once again to wash your face for 1 minute. Now I'm rinsing off with some cold water to close my pores. Now it's time for toner, so I'm using the glycolic acid toning solution from The Ordinary. I just saturate a cotton pad with it and dab it all over my face. Next, I'm going in with the Niacinamide from The Ordinary. Like I said, the skincare routine is very similar to my morning skincare routine, so a lot of the products are repeated. I let that dry, and then I go in with the Alpha Arbiten and do the same thing, dab it all over my face and let it dry. Next is the Caffeine Solution, which I especially love to use at nighttime because it really does help to depuff my under eyes, as well as I put a little on my nose because it helps to depuff my nose. When I wake up, my face is just puffy, so this helps to calm things down in the morning. Last but not least, I use the Midnight Recovery Concentrate by Kiehl's. I only use this when it's been a rough night prior and my skin is just looking dead and dull. It needs some rejuvenation. I know I'm looking very oily, but trust me, like, it makes your skin feel and look so good and youthful in the morning. I did not even show the product, I'm sorry guys, but I'm using the Babe Lash Serum. I apply it to my lash line roughly 3 to 4 times a week. And for my moisturizer, I use the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. Y'all know I love my Vaseline, so I'm just applying that to my lips for moisture. Now that the serum has dried on my lash line, I'm going in some extra dark Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm applying it to my eyebrows, my lash line, and my hairline, because those are all areas I would like fuller, longer hair growth. And that is the end of my nighttime skincare routine. It is now bedtime. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the video. Before you go, make sure to check out my morning skincare routine. And I appreciate you all. I'll see you in my next video.